guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. So in today's video, I'm just going to be creating this look here. I was kind of going for an everyday, simple, maybe soft glam look. Y'all be the judge of it. Let me know what y'all think. Is it an everyday look? Is it a soft glam? What do y'all think? I mean, I think this would be, I would probably wear this every day because it's, you know, it's kind of like neutral colors. And yeah, but this is the look that I created today for you guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you do, as usual, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you see when I post my next video. And y'all, let me just say super thanks and how much I appreciate and love y'all. We're almost to 650 subscribers, and I wouldn't be here without y'all. So let me just say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you watching this video, thank you, because I appreciate you so much. And like I said, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. So let's hop on into this video before I start talking too much. Alright, so going into that Revolution palette, I'm dipping into this color here. And I'm going to apply this in my crease and in my outer corner of my eye. Really just going for like an everyday look, like, you know, one shade, and then like all together I'm only using 3 shades, but I'm not gonna be cutting my crease today, you know, real simple. So then I'm gonna go into this lighter shade here, and I'm gonna apply that right above my crease on the edge of that first color. So like just to blow it out just a little bit. And you're just gonna blow it out, you know? Blend it and blend. Now that's better. So now we can go back over here. They ain't gotta be twins, but you know, make them cousins or sisters. You know, try to get the shape similar. Alright, so once you get that, you know, the lighter color blended out, going back in this palette, now I'm going to dip into this color here, this gold shimmer shade, and just going to apply that, as y'all can see, on this eye, kind of sort of all over the eyelid, but not really. I mean, I am going to go all over the eyelid, and I'm going to go back over with that the darker shade that I used the first time. Y'all just watch, just watch. So my ladies that, you know, want to be cute but keep it simple at the same time, then I'm going to go back with that, with my MODA Pro crease brush back into the darker shade that I used the first time. And I'm just going to hit my outer corner. Just to kind of like cut off the gold and kind of make it look like a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. And if you need to, tap back into that gold just to blend it a little bit better. Alright, y'all, that's it for this eye. Like, you know, aside from the eyeliner and the mascara, and then, you know, doing the under eye, like that is it. So simple, like super easy. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish this eye and my face. For my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner, and for my mascara, I'm gonna use my Lilly Lashes Triple X mascara. Y'all, I've been using this for my last 3 videos. Got this in my BoxyCharm subscription, and I am in love with it, y'all. Like, so in love. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that liner on and my mascara. Do my under eye after I do my face. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all at the end of the video, because I mean, this one was, like I said, super easy, super simple. You know, if you wanted to keep it short and cute, that's all this is. That's what this video is for. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And again, guys, thanks so much for watching. We are almost to 650 subscribers. Maybe by the time I post this video, I'll already be there. And if I am, y'all, let me just say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I would not be here without y'all. I wouldn't have the subscribers without y'all, without the support. You know, I wouldn't be where I am. And I appreciate it all 100%. So if you watched this far and you like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't and you watched this far, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you know when I post my next video. And boom, let me go ahead and finish this face. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Alright, so I think that's all I got, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. If y'all have, you know, if you got some video ideas y'all want to see on my channel, or some different makeup looks y'all want to see on my channel, be sure to drop that down in the comment section below. And you know what, if you made it to this far in the video, drop a blue heart down in the comment section for me. Alright, bye y'all, see y'all in my next video.